Actually, for only 299 pesos, unlimited na.
Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to where in Pampanga?
Yes, for today's vlog, kung kayo'y naghahanap ng bagong puntahan, lalo na eat all you can dito sa Mexico, Pampanga, para sa inyo to.
Guys, this is only 299 pesos. You're gonna have unlimited seafood, meat, soup, at marami pang iba guys. If you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara,
Let's go! Alright, so yun nga guys, first day soft opening ng KUYA BUDOY'S Eat All You Can. And earlier na witness natin may blessing. Of course, nagsalita rin yung ating owners dito and mga management. And right now, nagsisimula na silang kumuha sa ating buffet area. There you go. So yun guys, ikutan lang natin kung ano ba yung mga available na dishes for today. It could be na pagbisita nyo dito guys, nag-iiba yung mga dishes natin or mga meals din. Dahil nga araw-araw, pwede silang magbago. So for today, meron po silang pork sisig, tidtad. Sa Kapampangan, they call it tidtad, pero dinuguan yun. Meron din tayong adobong balot. Meron tayong asadong matwa, famous Kapampangan dish. Vegetables lovers, meron tayong pinakbet. Meron din tayong lumpiang Shanghai. Calamares is also here. Meron tayong mixed seafoods. And then meron din tayong Kare-Kare. And then meron din tayong lechon kawale at saka mga shrimp tempura. So those are our meals for today. Kain na tayo.
Actually, for only 299 pesos, unlimited na, which is may kasama pa siyang isang palayok ng Bulalo na kasama sa unlimited. You know?
I found it. Bone marrow. That's the bone marrow. Imagine 299 unlimited guys. Seafood, meat, vegetables, soup.
Actually, napakamura niya na when it comes sa price. Kasi talagang masusulit mo na yung 299 pesos mo.
So pansin nyo guys, hindi na kami nag-rice dito dahil nga susulitin namin yung mga pagkain dito na mostly kasama lang sa mga single order for sharing. Pero dito guys, sobra unlimited.
Even yung kanilang tempura, part of their unlimited. Pwede, oh.
Imagine even seafood, crabs, shrimps, puset, at may tubig pa. Hello! Welcome po kay Kuya Budoy's.
Yan, syempre, di pa mawala dyan yung desserts natin. So, available yung mga foods natin and mga Pinoy kakanin natin na talagang pang dessert talaga.
So another discovery. Mark, ano ba yung masasabi mo sa pagkain
Yes, ako
na,
dito
bro?
is sulit na sulit yung 299 pesos mo.
Yeah.
Actually, ako sulit na. Quantity-wise and quality-wise, talagang sulit na sulit.
Wow, so business information, bro.
So, KUYA BUDOY'S Eat All You Can is located dito sa may Plaza, Lagundi, Mexico, Pampanga.
Yes.
And they're open from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Yun guys, so if you're interested to know more about this, check out the fan page we're gonna be including. And if you like this video, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery. Peace out.
Bye guys.